The meaning of Pramit. Pramit is about returning to the parallel world in the mirror. To draw an analogy, if the true divine consciousness, Krishna consciousness, Allah, Mahavairokkana, Yuan Shen, different religions have different names, is sitting at the center of the universe, surrounded by mirrors on all sides. Each mirror reflects one of its aspects, and each mirror simultaneously contains countless reflections of its aspects from other mirrors. In this scenario, only the unmoving divine at the center is real, while every image of the divine in each surrounding mirror is a projection, unreal, an illusion. This is because the reflection doesn't have the power to influence the true form, but the true form can. To give another analogy, if our world is the world of the living, then the spiritual world is in the world of higher or lower frequency. We belong to opposite corners of the Taiji yin-yang fish. From the summer solstice position looking at the winter solstice, one might perceive the other as cold and unfeeling, while from the winter solstice position looking at the summer solstice, one might see the other as excited and impatient. This is actually a matter of perspective. Water and fire are on the same line. As long as there's a bit of dualistic thinking, it will lead to one becoming two, two becoming four, four becoming eight, causing division and a ripple effect. It's like a frequency starting to increase continuously, or a cell beginning to divide and differentiate. Looking from the low frequency point of a wave to the high frequency point is like winter solstice looking at summer solstice, and from the high frequency point to the low frequency point is like summer solstice looking at winter solstice. But it's inherently one wave, inherently without difference, and inherently without good or bad. We are born with imbalanced 5 elements energy. We are all born with illness. No one is truly healthy. This imbalance of 5 elements energy determines our personality and predestines our illnesses. Some people prefer the north, while others like the south. The intensification of distinctions and oppositions promotes energy imbalance and leads to disasters. Spiritual practice that controls thoughts and the 5 senses helps the soul return to balance, letting go of attachments to good and bad, making it easier to return to the true self in the mirror world. Now, many experiments with extraordinary abilities have discovered that when the soul leaves the body, it can change the physical world through intention, and the results of intention's work in the spiritual realm appear inverted in reality. You and your true self are looking at each other in a mirror,